Hello, I'm Arif. I'm an audiologist and speech language pathologist. I'm the founder of Waves Hearing Care Center, Secunderabad. Welcome to my channel, Arif's Audiology. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon button to get more updates. Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to charge Widex rechargeable hearing aids. So you'll be getting two hearing aids with the charger. Once you put this hearing aids into the charger in the respective position, each hearing aid has its own dedicated slot. In that slot you need to put it right hearing aid to be placed in right slot and left to be left slot, so that based on the LED indicator's light color, it indicates the charging percentage of the hearing aid. So if it is red, it means the battery is below 20%, its battery is low. If it is orange, it means the battery is medium. If it is green, that means that hearing aid is more than 75% of charge. So let me explain how to change Widex rechargeable hearing aids wax guard. First, you need to take out the dome from the receiver. So once you take out the receiver's dome and then take out one stick from the wax guard kit, and from one end take out the older one, from another end you have a new wax guard, place it again, replace back this same dome. Let me explain how to on and off Widex rechargeable hearing aid. Every Widex rechargeable hearing aid has a top one button called universal button. With that button you can switch off the hearing aid and switch on the hearing aid. To switch on the hearing aid, press that button, press and hold it for more than 3 seconds. So it will get turned on, means it gives green light. Same way, if you would like to turn off the hearing aid, press and hold this button for more than 3 seconds. So it will give you a red color light. It means hearing aid is turned off.